In this video, I will demonstrate how to use SpotOn Color to optimize press balance. With the correction display widget and either the LCH or the density curve dashboard widgets open, I can quickly assess detailed information about my overall color accuracy. I can even get some guidance as to how I might adjust the color in order to improve my overall color match, or what density range I might need to run the color. If I have measurements for both the operator and the gear side, I can easily switch between panels for a quick comparison of how the color is performing on both sides of the web. However, SpotOn Color has another dashboard widget that was specifically designed with press operators in mind. Not only can the operator see which colors need attention, but they can also see if a color match is different on one side of the web versus the other side of the web. Of course, the orange and the red icons signify colors that need the most immediate attention. And the arrows help to offer guidance as to what type of adjustment to make and on which side of the web. The Press Balance dashboard is the perfect tool for an overall press sheet assessment and to help improve efficiencies in the make-ready process.